Hey everyone, welcome back to our creative space. Today we are doing something special. We are creating a new color palette for our dot mandala art and I am starting with shades of pink. I absolutely love the soft pastel hues. They bring such a calm and soothing vibe. Here I am mixing two types of pink, one with white for a delicate pastel touch and another with a darker pink tint for more depth. These layering of shades adds dimension and beauty to our design. But we are not stopping here. More colors are coming to make this artwork even more vibrant. So stay tuned for part 2. See you soon. After adding beautiful shades of pink, I am now introducing soft peach and warm brown tones. I am blending them from light to dark to create a smooth transition. These earthy and pastel hues complement each other beautifully. For the base, we are choosing a soft combination of light peach and pink to enhance the overall look and make the details pop. In the next video, we'll start making grids and circles to structure our mandala perfectly. We are working on grids and circles. I am using a mandala stencil to make precise markings, ensuring accurate measurements on the mandala. After that, I'll draw circles and lines using a rounder to keep everything symmetrical. Now, let's begin our mandala. In the center, I am creating a beautiful shiny flower with pink, peach, and metallic pink colors. This time, we are doing different, beyond just dots. Adding shading gives the mandala a stunning dimensional look. I'll be blending peach and metallic pink for a soft, elegant effect, and then adding some delicate dots to the center of the flower. We'll be incorporating even more beautiful patterns, so stay tuned for part 4. Today we are moving ahead in our design, adding more details and depth. I am using metallic colors to bring a beautiful shiny effect to the mandala. Metallic paints add a gorgeous shimmer that catches the light, making the design look more vibrant and dynamic. They create a stunning contrast against matte shades, giving the artwork an elegant touch. Time for some beautiful pink and peach swooshes. These delicate strokes add a graceful flow to our design, bringing movement and elegance to the mandala. The soft blend of pink and peach creates a dreamy, soothing effect, enhancing the overall look. With each swoosh, our mandala becomes more intricate and mesmerizing. Stay tuned as we continue layering details and bringing this artwork to life. See you in part 6. We are about to complete our dot mandala art, but to be honest, I'm not completely happy with this piece. I have made quite a few mistakes along the way, but even professional artists make mistakes. It's all part of the process. Still, I believe in finishing what I start. Every piece teaches us something, and this one is no different. You make mistakes, you learn, and you grow.